Hello friends, welcome to N Universe 22. In this video we will discuss about what is specific gravity, SI unit of specific gravity and specific gravity of air, water and mercury. Let us start with specific gravity. Specific gravity is defined as the ratio of specific weight of a fluid to the specific weight of a standard fluid. It is also defined in terms of density also. It is defined as the ratio of mass density of a fluid to the mass density of a standard fluid. We know that fluids are classified in two groups. First one is liquid and gases. For liquids, standard fluid is water at 4 degrees Celsius, and for gases, standard fluid is taken either air at 0 degrees Celsius or hydrogen at the same temperature. Specific gravity is also called relative density. This is the another name of specific gravity, relative density. It is a dimensionless quantity and specific gravity is denoted by capital S. Mathematically it can be written as for liquids S equal to specific weight of liquid to the specific weight of water, because in case of liquid, water is a standard liquid. And also in terms of density, mass density of liquid to mass density of water. Thus specific weight of liquid, that is equal to capital S into 9810 Newton per meter cube. So here the specific weight of water at 4 degrees Celsius, that is 9810, and in terms of density of a liquid equal to capital S into density of water, and density of water that is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. So here if specific gravity, that is capital S, of a fluid is known, then density of fluid will be equal to the specific gravity of fluid multiplied by density of water. So for example, specific gravity of mercury is 13.6. Hence, density of mercury equal to specific gravity of mercury into density of water. So here specific gravity of mercury is given, that is 13.6, and density of water, that is 1000. So 13.6 into 1000, that is equal to 13,600 kg per meter cube. So it is the density of mercury. Now we will give some values of some important fluids in case of when we are studying the fluid mechanics, and these values always remain on our tips. The specific gravity of water, that is equal to 1, specific gravity of mercury, that is 13.6, and specific gravity of air, that is also equal to 1. So today we have learned about what is specific gravity and units of specific gravity. So it is the dimensionless quantity, it has no unit, and how we can calculate the specific gravity for liquid, and some important values which are commonly used in fluid mechanics for solving the numericals. If you like this video, share among your friends and students. You can ask your query by commenting. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.